সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন অ্যান্ড্রয়েড জগৎ চ্যানেলকে। নতুন ভিডিও সর্বপ্রথম পেতে ক্লিক করুন বেল আইকনে।
Test. Open the box. Look inside. Box front tablet, goodies and booklets and USB cable and charger adapter. The Mi Pad 4 has metal unibody construction, which instantly gives it a more premium one hand. The display's 16:10 aspect ratio also helps in this respect. Performance. The Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 system on chip. The SoC has 4 big cores in the form of the Cryo 260 performance, based on ARM Cortex-A73, clocked at 2.0 GHz, downlocked in the Mi Pad 4, paired with 4 Cryo 2 Adreno 509 of the Snapdragon 636. The tablet comes in 2 variants. The storage is expandable via microSD slot. Display. The Mi Pad 4 has an 8-inch Wuxka 1920x1200, but opinions on this can vary. Connectivity. NAC, and Bluetooth 5.0. In rose gold colors. Pre-orders for the device have gone live in China. RAM/32GB storage variant costs 1,099 Chinese yuan.